Hello, my name is Rafael Arizega Ojeda, and today I'm going to explain a resume about the stage 1 from biology. To begin with, we'll learn about 8 characteristics that represent a living thing which are essential to their existence. Those are organization, genetic code, homeostasis, metabolism, growth, reproduction, and adaptation. Next, we'll learn about the essential unit of all living things, the cell. Talking about history, the main characters that participates in the discovery of cells are Robert Hooke, who was the first to observe a cell, and Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, observed and described cells by making a drawing. Not to forget the machine that makes all these discoveries happen, the microscope, created by Janssen and then improved by Robert Hooke and van Leeuwenhoek. Now, let's talk about the two types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells has a structure of a capsule, cell membrane, and cytoplasm with ribosomes in it. This small cell doesn't have nucleus, but contains the DNA through the cytoplasm. The eukaryotic cell is bigger and more complex than the prokaryotic. It has nucleus and has organelles like the RNA, Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria. Also, there is the plant cell, which contains the cell wall and the chloroplasts. There is a cellular transport between the cells. These are two kinds: the active transport, which spends energy, and the passive energy. This doesn't use energy. Then we have the mass transport, endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis is the incorporation of the material into the cell, and exocytosis is the secretion of the material produced by the cells. Then we talk about the homeostasis, which is the regulation of the body. We have two kinds of this, the positive feedback and the negative feedback. On the positive feedback, we talk about the example of the lactation, which is regulated by the prolactin and oxytocin by the hypothalamus. On the negative feedback, we have the regulation of the glucose changed by the pancreas with the insulin and glucagon. Finally, we'll learn about the health and sickness, knowing about the changes of the adolescence, the risk factors of sickness, and tips to have a healthy life. This is all about the stage 1 of this topic. Thank you for your attention.